Let's give it a spin.
We have ripped 2 bullets very quickly today. I was not expecting that.
And cash checks.
Come on! This can be big! Number 3! Oh, this should be like 6k minimum. Number 3, come on baby! One time be good. Alright, do not get multi. They get 400x. That would have been 8k for us. Holy smokes. Oh, number 2, no. Number 2, it fucked us last time. I would be so upset. House Alex, that would be 20k for us. Please multi. Please multi. Please. No multi. Please be good. Fitta! Fitta! It's 7k. It's still a...
20 minutes later.
Maybe. 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 Boom! Fireball curse broken. It's over, boys. 7x fireball. Fireball curse is over. Where is it? Here. Here or here. Here is good. Here is good. 40! You fuck you! I think that's 140x. That's 20x. Next to the 1400x. So close next to it. It's 2.8 is good, but it was next to it. 7 maybe. I don't know, that's so low. 7. No, it's like 7. 7! Stop! Oh, that's good!
A second chance.
That is really good! 85 on that. Oh, 1500x here. Here. No! 55x. It rolled just over 45. It rolled just over the 150x.
Bummer.
Hello, Slotterweb. Good evening. Are we winning? A little bit.
Just wait for it.
I think we leave now. Let me do a few here. That's good. Oh, 5. Alright, so bang, bang, and then 3 as well, Eric. I like that. Very good. 11 can be Ardeen. That's big. That's, oh. Fan, alltså, come on, one time. 16, okay, take away one. Fan, I might want to take this. I might take next one. Fan. Five. I'm gonna take. I don't want to play this. You see, because that was a 3.2k euro bet. It's so big. Like, it's a lot of freaking money, guys. It gets out of hand so quickly. Pitta. It's dangerous, yes. 100%. We could go all in on one number as well, yeah. I wouldn't hate that. It would be nice to get in with a multi.
Hold my beer.
Boom! 50k up top! 150k up top! Holy fucking shit. I need to top up a little bit here. No, but I want to lower the volatility, I think, with the top ups. Please don't take 16. 16, 11 and 5, please. Please stay. 16, 11 and 5, stay! Yes! That's huge! I'll take it, I can't, fuck me! Holy fucking shitballs! Nah, I can't go one more. I don't care what this is. Okay, that's good. Offer would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 divided by 100. Same offer. It would have been same offer this round. Maybe like 2k more. And yeah, I mean, we would never gamble that. I don't care. Get the fuck in. That's all.
A few inches later.
As miss, I'm gonna run P.
12 seconds later.
How do you not like? Okay, you know what? I can. Oh, come on, get in here.
Oh,
Hey.
share too good. Oh, it's a 5x. Last duck strat, right? Or do we let share pick? Fun, I don't know. Share picks. This is share. I'm not here. I'm doing this.
Let's see what happens now.
Alright. Pizza! It's still good. It is still good. Last duck was 500x. That's fun. I hate that shit. We lost what? 2k. Oh, we just missed a pair of kings. I'll do 2 hands, Nick VM. Unless we print.
Duh.
5 and 5. 20k absolute rock hard bottom. Ah, this is bad. This is really bad. We're fucked here. Ace. 8. 8. I mean, it's true odds, Marco. If you do the math. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 4. That's straight. Only being straight on that day, but I'm gonna shake. 2, 4, 7, queen, 10, 2, 9 is a old. 6 and 6. 6, 7, close. 9. No one did a 40k bonus by no. Great. Ooh, 1.2k. Jack. This is the royal, boys. This is the royal. King, ace, 10 of hearts on the flop. Oh, heart. Just give us a heart. Not the worst. A queen or hearts. Heart! Das ist gut! We lose to... Oh! He had the flush. He had the flush, but we had a better flush. A little... Maybe new bottom. Maybe 24 bottom now. That's more... Oh! Okay, maybe not 24 bottom now, because we get be below 24. 9. We have a very good hand. Fuck. He's gonna have a 10, isn't he? Oh! We're racing. We're big racing. Ace! Fuck. 8. 8. Wait. No, this is not for... No, it's queen 8. Jack 8. Alright, this is like very big for ultimate. Because if you need to 4x... Oh no. King! 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 I think we have to count here. If there's like Jack and like 6, do we play? Now we play 100%. What? Oh yes! Get the fuck in! The 3 don't play! Oh! King! King! King 8. Fuck, I don't want to do this. Fuck. King. 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 Please don't have a 6. No 6, no king! Boom! It's a ding! Come on, bruv! Haha! Get him out, son! Get him out! The key. 8. 8. Not good. Give us a flush. Come on! Diamond! There's a pair. Oh! We don't need to worry about that. Fuck you, mom. We bring the boom. None. 2x just like that. 100k up top now, 20k up top. This is actually very good. Number 1 just like Let's Give It a Spin. I like it. Nevin, we go with number 1 as well. Red, please, one time. Super bad top-ups. If we go offer now without removing it, I think it's like 5-6k. 6, good. I think that's good, yeah, that's good. We have 1, 3, 1, 3, 11, 16, 15. No deal. No deal, sir. You know what? Fuck off with that deal. I ain't taking that shit, sir. That was maybe stupid. 11 goes fun. 12, 4, 7. Good. We only lost 1. Offer is improved. You know what? 8.1k? Are you joking, bruv? Of course I take it, yeah, I don't want to lose that. I don't care what happens here. Yeah, I mean, we would have 1 number left. Yeah, I can't lose that. Yeah, offer would have been down. Get the fuck in. Very optimal. It's a ding! Very good hit. 30k bottom line now. Oh, go on. Oh, 4x! Big! That's 100k, right? We had 150k before, Lordship. I'm gonna top up like a madman. Alright, come on, baby. 1 freaking time. We need to be smart. If 16 goes, I'm gonna be tilted. 11 went fitta. 14 went fitta. Fan, I'll see. It's gonna be a good offer, right? I can't lose it. I can't. Because if I lose it, like, I will just kick the share and that's good. 13k. So yeah, I don't care. 13k is up. Get the fuck in, bro. Get the fucking. Finally, we finally a little bit of momentum. Fuck everything. Like, I don't care what happens there. We took our money. We won money. We're happy.
So I think it is.
We're up. 29k is gonna go out to the bank. Finally. Boom. Cash out is on the way. 10k at a time. Everybody knows the rules. 29k out. Very good. Very nice.